Begin configuring your Power BI feed from the content menu by selecting the Power BI tile. Since Power BI requires a connection to your Power BI data, you must sign in to continue configuring the feed. Set a custom name for the feed on the right, then click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to make further customizations. Click the Sign in with Power BI button. This opens a pop-up window that leverages Microsoft Authentication. Enter your Microsoft credentials that have access to the Power BI reports you wish to show in the feed. Since this authentication is provided by Microsoft, it includes any two-factor authentication you have enabled. Continue through the authentication prompts. This installs an application on your Microsoft tenant that is read-only for Power BI reports available to the user authenticated. This access can be scoped further in Microsoft Entra. You may need to be a Microsoft 365 administrator to authorize ScreenFeed for access. Contact your Microsoft tenant administrator for approval. Once authenticated, a list of available reports should appear. Click on the report name to add the report as a feed item. Remove reports from the feed by clicking the minus symbol next to the report name. Adjust the order of reports by clicking the up and down arrows to the right of the report names. Adjust the duration each report is shown. The default is 10 seconds. Enable or disable animations. Set the intro style, background, and message. Set the delivery method. Available methods are HTML, media RSS, and direct URL. If HTML is chosen, optionally, a player-level authentication can be enabled. Options for player authentication are device code, where a code is generated and displayed on the player. The feed can be authenticated at the player with either a link or a QR code. BrightSign authentication, which requires a download of a BrightSign script and variables to be set up in the BrightSign presentation. BroadSign authentication, which requires a variable and secret to be set up in BroadSign. Or generic, which allows for custom scripting solutions to be employed. Click the Create Feed button to create the Power BI feed. This is a feed from our rich content catalog. Discover the possibilities at screenfeed.com/feeds. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.